Hey, hi, hello, how are you? So, in today's video, we'll be looking how to start programming. So, basically, for the beginners, students, or maybe whoever is working in a different field, they want to switch to programming. So, this video is for those people. Okay, so I'll be explaining five different steps. These are actually basic steps. So, how we can start programming. Okay, our first step is choose a programming language. So based on our requirement, based on our goals, or maybe based on the field like job market, we can choose a programming language. Or if you think that this programming, your friend is already knew this programming language and you can easily learn from that person, then okay, fine, you can choose that programming language. Or maybe you are thinking that this programming language, or for example, if Python is going, like everyone is thinking, everyone is talking about Python and you are feeling like Python is really good, okay, you can choose Python, something like that. Okay, so based on your preferences you can select a programming language. It's just like a communication, we will be using some languages like English or some other language, right? So just like that, we just need to find a programming language to start to learn. We just need a programming, that's a programming language. Okay, so once we choose the programming language, second step is install a code editor. So there are multiple code editors are available. You can actually see VS Code, Sublime text editors, then Notepad++, then WebStorm. Some of them are paid, some of them are free. So based on your preferences, you can select a code editor as well. So once you are getting a code editor, you can try something, hello world printing and all those stuff. So once that part is also done, the third step is learn the basics. Okay, learn the basics. So whenever you are starting a programming language, or if you are new to this coding and all, first we need to learn the syntax. Okay, in JavaScript and all, or like in JavaScript we will be using a different set of syntax, and in Python we will be using a different set of syntax. So we just need to familiarize that syntax first. And once we are familiarized that part, then we can try creating variables, we can try using conditions and all loops and control structures, all those things we can experiment in that. Okay, that is our basics. So once that part is done, so once we learn the basics, then the important step is practice. So whatever we will be learning, it can be anything like syntax or the basics or maybe different thing. Like I'm not saying about the programming, whatever it is, we just need to practice, then only we can master into it. So for that we just need to practice. So every day, like if you wanted to have a career in that, we just need to practice every day, or maybe whenever you're getting time, just practice. Try creating different things like demo apps or something like that. Just try creating to-do list, or maybe some other kind of list, or maybe some ad images or something like that. Just create your own websites or something like that, your own logics, you can try to build it. So that's our practice. So practice makes us little bit into we can actually master into that thing. And the final step is seek help when needed. Okay, so you'll be having lots of friends who already knew these things, so you can talk to them. So they'll actually clarify your issues. That will save your time. Like if you are facing some issues and you try to debug it, but you are not able to resolve this thing, you can try to seek a help from your friends. Or if you don't have any friends, or you don't want to ask your friends, you can actually get the help from the communities like developer communities. Okay, so you can post your doubt out there and they'll help you, definitely they'll help you. So through that you can learn a lot of things. So that will reduce our time, like save our time, and you can create a issue free or error free system. And and to that you can build relationships as well. Definitely. So these are the five steps when you are starting programming. Okay, this is actually basic steps only. So yeah, this is all about like coding. This is how we can start. Then the next part is like we need to master into it. Like we can actually create data structures and algorithms. All those things are actually a next step. These are the like this these are basic steps. Like these are kind of preliminary or something like that we could say. So these are our first steps. So once we once we create these things, then we can actually move into next step. We can actually just sharpen our skills. That would better, I guess. Okay, yeah, then thank you so much. Bye.